Hi, this is Kshitij Yelkar, and today I'm going to show you a demonstration of 100-digit long number, the pi value, which is 3.14. That is 1.14 is 2-digit, but I'm going to demonstrate you 100-digit pi number. So let me ready for that. So let's see now 3 or pi value up to 100-digit number. Hi friends, so now I'm ready and you can see the 100-digit pi number on my screen. Okay, so let me start now. 3.141. Next is 592. Next is 653. Next is 589. Next is 793. Next is 238. The next is 462. The next is 643. The next is 383. The next is 279. The next number is 502. The next number is 884. The next number is 197. And the next number is 169. And the next number is 399. The next number is 375. And the next number is 105. Next number is 820. Next number is 974. Next number is 944. Next number is 592. And next number is 307. Next number is 816. Next number is 406. And the next number is 286. And next number is 208. Next number is 998. And the next number is 628. Next number is 034. Next number is 825. And next number is 342. And the next number is 117. And the last number is 067. So friends, this was 100-digit long pi number. My dear friends, in my 2 days workshop, I train people or student about this sort of memory technique. This is one of the technique. There are a lot of techniques where one can improve memory 10 times better. So friends, currently in Mumbai, I am running this workshop in this month and upcoming next 2 months. So for more detail about my workshop, you can visit my YouTube description and on my website www.yelkar.com. So join my workshop and learn a lot of memory techniques and NLP techniques and change your life. Thank you, Kshitij.